Hi friends, my name is Machindra Chate and I am your maths teacher. Today we will continue our first chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. We will solve some examples. For example, here solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and 5x minus y is equal to 18. This problem we have to solve. As usual, solution: first equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, name it as equation 1. Second equation 5x minus y is equal to 18, name it as equation 2. This is mathematics, and mathematics this is language. We named this as equation 1, we named this as equation 2. Now multiplying equation 2 by 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. This is second equation. We are multiplying both the sides of equation 2 by 2. So 5x into 2, then minus y into 2, then 18 into 2. Therefore 10x minus 10y, 5x into 2, 10x, minus 2 into y into 2, 2y, is equal to 18 into 2, 36. This is 36. So 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Let us see again. Let's add equations 1 and 3. So here we have to write this as equation 3. This is equation 3. Now we will add equation 1 and equation 3. So equation by adding equations 1 and 3. So here 10x minus 2y is equal to how much it was? 36. So it is 36 plus 2y minus 2y will be 0. 3x and 10x it will be 13x. So 13x is equal to 65. So dividing both the sides by 13, we get x is equal to 5. And so we get x is equal to 5. Next, now substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. 3x into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. 3 into 5, it will become 15. Plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Therefore 2y is equal to 29 minus 15 is 14. Y is equal to 14. Therefore y is equal to 7. And therefore x and y, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7 is the solution. This is one type of activity or exercise. Say somebody has solved the problem and some places are kept like this. This is called activity, and these types of problems will be asked in the board examination. Therefore prepare for it, and we should be able to fill in the boxes wherever required. So see from the beginning, two equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, 5x minus y is equal to 18, equation 1, equation 2, multiply equation 2 by 2, 5x into 2 minus y into 2 is equal to 18 into 2. So 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. And then adding equation 1 and equation 3, we add, and here 2y plus 2y minus 2y cancelled, 3x and 10x, it becomes 13x, 29 plus 36, it becomes 65. Therefore x is equal to 65 upon 13 is equal to 5. So substituting the value of 5 in equation 1, we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore 3x into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore 3 into 5, 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Please remember, this is into and this is x. Don't confuse in these two values. In these two things, it is x and it is into. So 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Therefore 2y is equal to 14. Therefore y is equal to 7. And thus the values of x and y are respectively 5 and 7 is the solution. And we should be able to solve or participate in such activities where someone has solved the problem and some places are kept missing, and that places you have to correctly fill in. And friends, when we are listening, remember, don't just listen. Listen with complete mind in it. So when we are listening, sometimes what happens, you are doing something, mom tells something and you ignore it. Leave this habit. When you are in the classroom, concentrate fully in the classroom and listen everything that teacher is telling you. So friends, we have solved this first problem. Now let us proceed to the next problem. Say solve 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. These are two problems. First equation, second equation. By adding equations 1 and 2, 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, 17x plus 15y is equal to 11, just making addition, 15 plus 17, 32x, 17 plus 15, 32y, 21 plus 11, 32, and as 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. So if both the sides are divided by 32, then we get x plus y is equal to 1, and this is our equation 3. Next, by subtracting, remember the word, there are sometimes someone says subtract. Subtract is not a false word, but it is old-fashioned word. The original word is subtract. Subtract. By subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. This is first equation. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11 is second equation. Now we have to make second equation, we have to minus it. Sometimes in books, this minus here. This is for all. This is not minus 17x. This is first equation. Second equation we have to subtract. So 17 will become minus. This 15 will become minus. 11 will become minus. These notations you have to understand. Here 15x minus 17x, it will become 2x. 17y minus 15y, it will become plus 2y is equal to 10. 21 minus 11 is equal to 10. And therefore minus 2x plus 2y upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we get minus x plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation 4. Then by adding equation 3 and equation 4, x plus y is equal to 1 and minus x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore 2y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 3. Place value of y in equation 3. We get x plus y is equal to 1. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Writing this is no problem. Is equal to can come twice thrice in a line, no problem. And that is stands for first. X is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. That is alright. This writing is alright. You can practice that in your SSC board examination also. Therefore, x and y are having values minus 2 and 3, and this is the solution. So this is one more problem. So friends, now after solving these problems, we have to exercise, we have to solve some problems, and that is practice set 1.1. And in practice set 1.1, again you have given one similar activity. This is activity again. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. First equation, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Solution as usual, first equation is 1, second equation is 2. Let's add equations 1 and 2. So here again we will get this much. Here we have to solve it again. Say 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and therefore plus 3y minus 3y cancel, 5x plus 2y is equal to, it will be 7x is equal to 9 plus 12, 21, and therefore x is equal to 21 upon 7, and therefore x is equal to 3. Place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. Therefore 3y is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, it will become 15. And therefore 3y is equal to minus 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. And therefore y is equal to minus 2. And therefore solution is, what was the value of x? Value of x was 3, and value of y is minus 2. So 3 and minus 2 is the solution set, and we have to practice some more this type of activities. So friends, we have completed our second period here, and I hope you have understood how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination of one variable. And I hope you are now able to solve such problems, and in our next period we will solve some more problems. Thank you.